new package. Let's check it out. We have the BarxBuddy ultrasonic training tool for dogs. The ergonomics design, dual light, 100% harmless, easy to use, made for dogs. Okay, here's a list. It says attach a 9-volt battery to device by removing the cover, which I think it's already inside. So let's check it out. Very nice design. Step one for dogs that don't want to listen. This is pretty cool. Now, I'm going to test this, and for those who want my answer on it, just leave a comment below and I'll tell you what I thought about it. Remember, BarxBuddy.